Hi everyone! Today I will show you how you can create 3 different hairstyles in curly hair, and also I will share with you what kind of products you can use the best. I will make it first a little bit more damped with some water. Then I will apply the Hydrate Curl Enhancer. With curls it's always really nice to use a technique that you will twist the hair so it gets more defined and also less frizzy. So I work from section till section. Because I twist it, you can see the natural texture coming back. And now I will continue with the blow dry. Now I will use the Hydrate Smoothing Serum. To finalize the look, I use the airy texture spray to have more hold, but also more volume and more texture. I will apply some nude powder spray on the roots and I will divide the hair in sections. I will continue to the second look. I would like to make a loose bun, still with a nice texture. I will divide the hair into big sections and I leave the front out of it. And I would like to hold the texture so I don't touch the ends, but I try to make a really big twist. And then I will use these pins. So now I finished almost the upper layer. First I would like to shape the layer below, and this I will do with the working hairspray. I will pull the hair a little bit more loose. And with this look it's important that you still will see the texture of the hair, and this you will see when you loosen it a bit. Because he has like longer bangs, I would like to shorten it a little bit, and for this I'm also using the U-pins. So first I will check like till where I would like to have these bangs. To do the final touch, I will apply a little bit of working hairspray to make the texture more visible. And this is the loose bun. And now we are going for the third look, and this is a fun look with buns. To create the buns, I need to divide the hair in different sections. I will start with the ear and I will work towards the crown. So first you can section it a little bit roughly. It doesn't need to be perfect because afterwards we will make it more smooth. So I made a triangle here just below the crown. And then from this part we go directly to the nape. I would like to use the Hydrate spray conditioner to make it more hydrated. So it's also easier to work with. And then important also to spray a little bit in the ends. So then I will use a white to the comb to detangle it. I like to use the shaping cream, and this I will apply by creating the buns. Then I will continue with the other side, and first I will apply the Hydrate Spray Conditioner again. If you notice that one side will be much smaller than the other side, then you can make it more wider. So now I would like to continue with the front side. I will style these short baby hairs with my favorite product, the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly, that I have a collaboration with Ouden and Beauty Concept, and I will mix them together with the Sulphate pomade. If you want to see more tutorials, stay tuned.